How to ship products with Amazon FBA in 90 seconds. Scan the product's barcode, grab the ASIN number, enter it on Amazon Seller Central, and search. Make sure it's the right product and confirm. Enter price, new condition, check fulfilled by Amazon, save and finish. Check it's okay and click List as FBA. Go to prep and label details, select no prep required unless advised otherwise, save, repeat for the other products and print all SKU labels. They should look like this. Make sure you label the products correctly over the barcode. Do this for all items in the shipment and put them in their boxes. Go to pack individual units. I use 2 boxes, so I check multiple boxes. Enter how many you used and open the web form. Specify how many units of each item are in each box, the box dimensions, and weight, and confirm. Moving on to shipping, press confirm. Enter the shipping date. Make sure to check UPS as they're partnered with Amazon. Click agree and confirm shipping. Select your printing method for the shipping labels that look like this. There should be 2 for each box, so go ahead and tape them on. View tracking details, grab your tracking ID, go to UPS's website, enter the shipment's tracking ID, fill in your information, amount of packages, total weight, check UPS standard, enter collection date and time periods and any preferences you may have. Hand over your boxes, link in bio to join the Discord for Amazon leads.